Welcome to my channel. Linksys Router IP Address 192.168.1.1. Connect to a Linksys router using 192.168.1.1. The router has failed and is unresponsive to connections through the browser. The router is set up to use a different address and not 192.168.1.1. The computer and the router need to be on the same network to access it at this local address. Can't connect to 192.168.1.1. 1. Check your connection. If you're trying to connect to 192.168.1.1 from your phone or another wireless device, make sure you're connected to the same network that the router is on. 2. Restart the router. It's not uncommon for there to be temporary hiccups in the router software that are cleared when the router is rebooted. 3. Search the network for the router's IP address. If the router isn't using the 192.168.1.1 address, it could be 192.168.0.1, 192.168.2.1, or something entirely different. 4. Search the web for the maker of the router. Use their support or search tool to find your specific router model. There should be a manual there that provides the router's default IP address. 5. Reset the router. This will erase all customizations that have been made to it, a procedure that will eliminate the router software as a reason for why you can't connect to 192.168.1.1. Thanks for watching.